Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell and this is your September 2018 Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month is 4 brand new collections including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So you're going to get a sampling of all the latest and greatest products coming out to play with. Along with your kit, you're going to get a sample of gourmet coffee so you can brew that up and sip on that as you create and play with your products. You're also going to receive 4 recipe cards for double page layouts, one for each one of the 4 collections in your kit, designed by the design team. It'll include a color photo, cutting and assembly instructions. So if you want some inspiration and to kind of get you started, you'll have that, or you can just take off on your own. This month's collections are crepe paper, Willow Lane, this is designed by Maggie Holmes, Fancy Pants, Magnolia Lane, Pretty Little Studio, Savannah Dreams, and Simple Stories, Dream Big. So you can see this month is full of gorgeous, gorgeous product. I cannot wait to dig into this month's kit. There is so many florals. If you love florals, there's a floral sheet in each one of these collections. Just some super cute things in this month's kit. So let's go through and see each one of the collections up close. First up from Crepe Paper is Maggie Holmes' Willow Lane collection. This is a gorgeous color collection with the blue and the purple, touches of pink and yellow, and the turquoise. So your cardstock is going to be 2 sheets of Arctic cardstock. Your paper is this one that has those beautiful butterflies that you know I'm going to say fussy cut out and embellish. This sheet's called Flutter. The back is this yellow distressed background paper. The floral sheet with the dark navy blue and kind of a periwinkle blue. This one is called Periwinkle. And it has the periwinkle on the back and then a pink dotted chevron design. This one called Kind Heart are these stitched hearts, or it looks like threads that have been stitched in all the different colors. So this would be really fun if you wanted to go ahead and find some matching floss and stitch over a few of those and use that as a background or an embellishment piece. That would be really pretty. The back side is a pink dot, and it has a little bit of distressing here with like a piece of tape. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a 1/4 a pack of the thickers sheet. So these are chipboard thickers. They have the gold glitter on them. So these will vary among the kits, but this is the one that was in my kit. Cute little clocks there. And then you're going to get some fringe, which will vary, but this is kind of the aqua, and it's the crepe paper fringed up. And one of the thread bows, so this is kind of like embroidery floss made into a bow with a little foam adhesive there ready to go onto your page. So these will vary as well, but you'll get one of those. So that is Crepe Paper's Willow Lane. Our next collection from Fancy Pants is Magnolia Lane. It's gorgeous, soft colors with all these magnolia flowers. So start off with our cardstock. You get 2 sheets of cinder cardstock. For your paper, we have this one called Magnolia Moments with all of these magnolia flowers on this soft blue-gray background. The back is a black and white bold stripe. Then this one called Our Story is 4 different strips of patterned paper, and you can even cut this one down that's like lace down to like border strips. That's a really fun sheet of paper. The back is a black design, and it's actually like a striped. Then at first blush, we have this whitewashed brick wall. Be great as a background. And again, these beautiful magnolias, and this time on a pink background. So one more look at your patterned papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces, so they're going to vary. but this is the ones I got. And then a fifth a pack of the spools and slices, and so these will vary, but these are like chipboard, and these are the ones that I got. So this is like a slice of wood with the love you on it, and that's like the top of a spool. So those are really cute, a lot of fun, and you of course know that this is definitely a take off Joanna Gaines and Magnolia Market. But of course it would be great for any kind of photos, family photos, photos of your kiddos, anybody that you love. So a beautiful collection, and that is Magnolia Moments from Fancy Pants Designs. Next is a fun, whimsical collection from Pretty Little Studio called Savannah Dreams. It's a beautiful color collection here. So your cardstock's going to be 2 sheets of white cardstock, and the patterned paper is this beautiful bird design on the florals. And on the back are these script words and a full branding strip with that back design. And so this one was called Happy Life. This one called Daydream is a little square on a diagonal design with different geometric designs, so that's really cool. The back is a turquoise color with a circle, and then there are small little dot circles on top. Don't know if that will pick up. Another full branding strip. This one called Embrace Joy is the hexagons. So you could use this as it is, or cut out a row of them, or design of them, or punch out individual ones for embellishing. And the back is a yellow with a heart print, and then there's one pink one at the bottom. So one more look at the patterned paper. And then your embellishments that you're going to get is a fourth a pack of the die cuts, so they will vary, but I got some labels and then just some cute whimsical little icons. Just adore that little kitty cat. You'll also get an eighth a pack of stickers, so they will vary. These are the ones that I got, so just some label and banner stickers. So these have the banner design. There's a little heart on that one. So that's a look at Pretty Little Studio Savannah Dreams. Again, a cute, whimsical collection, definitely perfect for your little ones or your girls, but also just about anything else. Our final collection from Simple Stories is Dream Big, and it is again another fun, whimsical collection, definitely perfect for your little girls, but you could also do a lot of other things with this collection. So starting off, we have 2 sheets of pink cardstock. The patterned paper is this one called Dream Big, and it has lots of words and the stars and the hearts there. The back is turquoise with an off-white polka dot. I have this one called So Adorable, which the beautiful florals that Simple Stories is known for, and that gorgeous color scheme. The back is a small floral on a diamond grid and a yellow background. Then we have the 4x4 cut apart sheet. Again, have the cute little fairies and the unicorns. You could cut things apart to embellish, and that's a cute little twist with a little unicorn on a, looks like a little kitty cat. The back is a diagonal stripe in the color scheme. So one more look at your patterned paper. The embellishments is the full 12x12 cardstock sticker sheet. So you're going to have a couple of long border strips, your word labels, your little tabs, large word that you could use as a title, and then some tags, large icons down to the small. Love that little banner, and I love those little fairies. Definitely a lot of fun to scrapbook your little girls. So that is Simple Stories Dream Big. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Don't forget to check out the add-ons that are available for this kit. There are embellishments, patterned paper, and cardstock add-ons, and all the other kits that we have available in the store. Be sure to come on over to the blog and the Facebook page to find the challenges that we have and all the other inspiration you're going to see from the design team and your fellow subscribers. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, click that coffee cup to subscribe, and the little bell will get you notified when new videos are revealed. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.